Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the royalty-free videos feature in Explaindio 4.0. So this is a new feature introduced in version 4.023. In a previous video I showed you how to use the royalty-free images feature, and I'd encourage you to watch this tutorial. So I've got a project open here. First you need to go to Settings in the menu bar up top, and make sure that you've entered your Pixabay API key into this box. Now, in order to get your API key, you need to open a free Pixabay account and then set up your API key, which is very easy to do. And then you need to go back to the settings and enter your API key into this box. You can then close this dialog box and the information is automatically saved. So once you've set up the Pixabay API integration, you can use the royalty-free videos footage. So let me create a new scene. And here we have a blank canvas. Click on Add Video, and then choose Add Video from Free Video Footage, and it'll open the Pixabay Videos gallery. You can then search for something like beach, and then click Search. And here are the search results. Now if I click on this video, for example, it will download and then process the video, and finally vectorize it. I'll check this box for Don't Sketch, and then click Add, and it'll be added to the canvas. I can then click the Scale Full Screen button, like so, and if I close the canvas, you will see that the video is now playing in the preview section. And one final note, the Pixabay videos are downloaded in the Explaindio folder under the Pixabay Videos subfolder. And this is the one we just downloaded. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.